In this video, I will be demonstrating how Maestro News integrates with MediaCentral Newsroom Management and MediaCentral Command, providing a significant increase in production efficiency. Production will easily be able to control video and graphic items that were created in a MediaCentral Newsroom Management rundown from the MediaCentral Command production automation application. Here is the rundown, where I create a new story and give it the name News. Now, I assign a video ID for a video that exists in MediaCentral Production Asset Management. On the left side, there is an NRCS plugin that shows the graphic templates created in Maestro News. When I select a lower third template, it is opened using a plugin. It looks the same as it would in the Maestro News browser, and all the logic that was assigned to the template will be supported in the Newsroom plugin as well. Using these controls, I can choose whether images will be presented and how many lines of text will be displayed. Now, I will change the data, save the item, and add it to the Newsroom Management rundown. From the same plugin, it is also possible to change in and out positions of the graphics relative to the video that is assigned to the story. Here, I will select another template, which displays a bar chart. From the template, I can easily change the values of the bars, and then add this template to the same Newsroom Management story. I can also see an animated preview of the graphics. Let's switch focus to MediaCentral Command. Inside the rundown, there is the story called News that we just created. This story contains one video item and two graphic templates. MediaCentral Command allows an operator to modify the graphic content and make last-minute changes before the playout, essential for correcting mistakes that a journalist may have made earlier. We can now select, cue, and play the video from the story that was added to the Newsroom Management rundown. The video item changes color to green to indicate that it is now on air. Each graphic item has its own duration and start time according to the timing that was set from the Newsroom Management plugin. Graphic items will also be triggered automatically according to the assigned time. In this video, we showed how easy it is to create a MediaCentral Newsroom Management story that contains video and graphic items, and then take that content to air with MediaCentral Command. Please check out our other videos that show the wide range of production workflows made possible with Avid's Maestro News. For more information, please go to www.avid.com.